Okay, and yet another bond problem, and as always, I'm going to start by reading it carefully to make sure I know what the hell we're talking about. Balance sheet 3112, 10% bonds, face amount of 30 million, remaining discount of 1 million. Let me make a note of that. So my carrying value is 29 mil. Let me write that down before I forget it. And the face amount is 30 and a discount of 1, so the carrying value is 29 mil. And the sold to yield 12%. So if we do use the effective interest rate, so we have to use that when we figure it out. And they pay interest semi-annually, so it's 6% twice a year. So okay, so we're good to go. So let's see, these are $10 million bonds. So it's 10 million times 10%. And that whole thing divided by 2. So 10% of 30 million is 3 million, and half of that is 1.5 mil. So the cash that's going to go out is 1,500,000. And now it says they amortize using the effective interest method. So for that, we have to come up with, what is that, 6% effective interest method times 29 mil. And 6% of 29 mil, and again, I can't do that in my head. So 0.06 times 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is, what's that, 17 million, or 1,740,000. So that's the actual interest expense, 1,740,000. The difference between that and what we paid out is the discount that we've amortized of 240,000. Okay, so now we can figure out this piece. It says these bonds were retired for 31,200,000. So that's how much cash went out, 31,200,000. The bonds payable that we got rid of were 30 million. So we got those pieces. The discount was $1 million. Remember, tell us the discount was $1 million. Where the hell was it? And we used up 240. So that's 760,000 that's left. That's going out the door. So I would take 31,200,000 plus 760,000 minus 30 million, and that's my loss, 1,960,000 loss on extinguishment of debt. So a lot of words, you had to do some thinking. You probably looked at it and went, oh shit. But then after you play with it a little bit, it wasn't so bad. Okay.